In previous video, I discussed about the data link layer. Now I am going to teach you the network layer. The network layer is the third layer of the OSI model. It handles the service request from the transport layer and further forward the service request to the data link layer. See, it from that transport layer, it receives the service request from the transport layer and further forward to the data link layer. The network layer translates the logical addresses into physical address. It translates, the main aim is to translate the logical address into physical address. It determines the route from the source to the destination and also manage the traffic problem such as switching, routing and control congestion of data packets. The main role of the network layer is to move packets from sending host to the receiving host. Okay, it main aim is to moves the packet from sending host to the receiving host. Now discuss different responsibility of the network layer. So first is routing. When a packet reaches the router's input link, the router will move the packet to the router's output link. Okay, this is from routing. Next is logical address. The data link layer implement the physical addressing and the network layer implement the logical addressing. See, the data link layer implements the physical addressing and the network layer implement the logical addressing. The logical addressing is also used to distinguish between source and destination systems. The network layer add a header to the packets which includes the logical address of both the sender and the receiver. In the packet, see, in the packet there has some sort of address of sending data, in packets some data is there, and address of the sender and address of the receiver. Okay, next is internetworking. This is the main role of the network layer, that it provides the logical connection between different types of networks. So it also describes the logical connections between different networks. And fourth one is fragmentations. The fragmentation is a process of breaking the packets into the smallest individual data units that travel through the different network. Okay, so these are all about data network layer.